Welcome to the Excel guide. In this video, I'm going to show how to use the left function in Excel. The purpose of the left function is to get the required number of characters from a text starting from the left side of the text. This is the syntax of the left function. First, we type the function name as left. Then within parentheses, two parameters to be given. First, we type any text or an address of any cell having a text, and then after the comma, the number of characters which we want to extract from the text. Let's see how this function works in Excel. Type the equal sign and then the function name, left, and then open parentheses. Type the full text and a comma. Here I will extract only the word Microsoft. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters. So I type the number 9 as the number of characters which we want to extract from the full text. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will show the extracted text like this. The same thing can be done by leaving the full text in one cell and getting the result into another cell, which should be the actual usage of this function. Now leaving the full text in this cell, I will get the extracted text into this cell. I will extract the word Microsoft from this full text and display in this cell. Type the equal sign and then the function name as left, then open parenthesis and the cell address of the cell containing the full text and the number of characters which we want to extract starting from the left side. Then close the parenthesis and press enter. The result is displayed like this. Well, this is the usage of the left function. Let's apply the function to an actual data set like this. Here in each cell we can see the same pattern has repeated. At the end there are item codes. But to the item code, some other two fields are merged together. First two characters indicates whether the item is a finished good or a raw material. And after the hyphen, we have some other information and then another hyphen and the item code. From this, I'm going to extract the first two parts and display in the next column using the left function. Type the equal sign, then left and open parenthesis. Then select the cell having the full text. Then type the number of characters to be extracted. Here we have to extract 6 characters. Type 6 and close parenthesis and press enter. The result is displayed for the first row. Now copy the function down. All the extracted text are displayed. This is how we use the left function. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more upcoming valuable videos. Have a nice day.